Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Little Mama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing with TikTok. TikTok has been a big driver for me with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you what I've been doing, so let's get started. Hi, I'm back, and before we get started, I just want to let you know when you first start your TikTok, do not just start posting, okay? So listen to this video, you gotta know what to do. So let's get started. Let me show you what I've been doing. My account here is Grace, aka Little Mama. I have over 450,000 followers, and it's been a wild ride for me on TikTok. And I mean, TikTok has really grown my channel, my YouTube channel that is, and has given me a lot of sales for my affiliate marketing offer that I put on there. So for TikTok, before you post anything, you want to create your account. Make sure you are creating something that is branded to your business so that you are found everywhere, kind of like with the same name. Hopefully you still have your name on TikTok. And what you want to do is, before you post anything, I want you to kind of go through some hashtags that is in your niche that you are promoting. So whatever affiliate marketing niche you're in, then you need to go take a look at some hashtags for that niche. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, let's say for Amazon, because people have been using TikTok actually to do Amazon affiliate marketing on here, and it's crazy, works really well for Amazon affiliate marketing actually. But let me just go through how I would do it first. So if you were to do Amazon, okay, let's say Amazon product finds, and so what you would do is search up different hashtags in TikTok about Amazon products, Amazon Prime, Amazon Prime finds, and all these Amazon product hashtags. So once you kind of go scroll that kind of content, then TikTok will kind of know what you're interested in, and then you could follow a few of those big accounts that you found any. Like for me, I do make money online, so my account is all about different ways to make money online, or it's about TikTok, and it's about actually various things. I mean, the niche that you could do on TikTok is very loose in the sense that you could go off a little bit here and there and you still be fine. So I've been doing multiple different types of posts on here, and things still work, but majority of course of my stuff is about making money online and different methods that I show people. And you need to be consistent though, okay? So if you want to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, you gotta be consistent. You want to get that first 1,000 followers. You will get a link in your bio after that, and you could go live on TikTok once you have 1,000 followers. So you want to get your 1,000 followers pretty quickly. How to do that is actually follow more people. So I actually am one of the first affiliate marketers on TikTok. I joined late November 2019. So December, when I first started, I didn't post that often, and I did not post regularly in the beginning because I wasn't sure what this TikTok thing was about. Here's the beginning. This is my first one. And then in January, so after the holidays, January 1st, I decided at the end of December, I'm going to give this a try, and I'm going to do a post every single day. The whole month of January was the first month I did a post every day, and also it was multiple times a day. And that's when I finally went viral. So this is my first viral video. Now it has 7.5 million, but this video got me from 25,000 followers to 125,000 followers in a week. And that happened early February. So what you want to post. So you're going to post things within your niche at most of the time. So you could veer off here and there, but you want to do your niche as much as you can, okay? I even do some off topics, kind of like, but it's still money, okay? So that's what I mean by you can veer off meaning you could actually make more vague, larger topics within your niche. So I'm basically a money account, right? Money, I talk about different types, different aspects of money and stuff like that. So, but because what you want to do is be relatable. Okay, if you go too deep into like explaining affiliate marketing and what affiliate marketing is and all this stuff, people don't understand. And they rather see stuff like this, top 5 cheapest countries to live in. It's more relatable. People want to, like, a lot of people can see. So that's how you can kind of grab the attention of the public and get on a lot of people's For You pages. So that's how you could get the traffic, is to not just be so close into your niche as in sub-niche, but also expand to the top level of your niche. Okay, so if you're in a dog niche, then you would do definitely all sorts of types of doggy things on your account. Just kind of make a TikTok when you feel like it. When you have an idea, just do a TikTok because it is that quick. So my videos are usually only 15 seconds or less. I usually don't do over 15 seconds, and if I do, it'll be definitely no longer than 30 seconds. My longest one is like 29 seconds or something like that. But majority of my stuff, especially the later ones, I get shorter and shorter because watch time is pretty big on TikTok. And if you could get somebody to watch your TikTok multiple times, that's even better. So that's how it works. So the more people that watch longer on your video, the more For You pages that you get to go on to. So for you to get results from your TikTok for your affiliate marketing offers, you need to have a link, okay? For your link, I really suggest that you don't just do a raw affiliate link because you are going to be missing out on all that traffic. So what you want to do is actually put it on a website where you could collect an email address first, right? So when somebody clicks on my link, it's going to go to a page where it talks about I'm going to give them something if they give me their email address. And you want to do that because if you don't, then you're not going to have those visitors ever again. And a lot of times people don't follow and they could see it for 2 seconds and then they scroll and that's it. You're gone. And it's very hard for people to find you again if they don't know, or if they don't take a glance at your name or remember your name. It's very hard to find people once you scroll off of your For You page and you can't find the accounts anymore. But that's one of the quirks of the platform. You do want to collect the email addresses so you could keep explaining to them what you're trying to offer and what benefits they're going to have, and actually just gain trust, right? You want to gain trust with your subscribers, and so you want to get them in your email list. So that's what I have here. It's an email list. And then it goes, I also explain to them what I'm offering, and then they go to my affiliate offer. So in order for you to grow fast, it is very advisable to tell people that you will follow back. People love it when you follow back. So if you do a post, just do one post. Don't do a lot of those, okay? Because you're going to be following back a lot of people. And you don't want to get into a point where you have so many people following you and you're not following back, and then they unfollow you, and then you get a negative follow trend on your account every day. You don't want that, because if you have a negative following decrease, basically, every day, then your posts aren't going to get pushed. So the most important thing about TikTok is being consistent. You should post 1 to 4 TikToks every day. But if you skip, it's no big deal. Sometimes you could just get back right on and then just keep posting. So you could have breaks. It's not as if you can't have breaks. But if you want to grow fast, it is very crucial that you post every day to get that growth going, okay? You want to have a growing account. So that's why you want to post every day. So if you have any questions about how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok, please let me know in the comments below and I will answer them for you. And I hope to do more about TikTok in the future so I can show you even more things. But I have no idea what aspects you want to know about TikTok, so let me know below. And if you don't know what to promote on your TikTok, oh my God, use my #1 recommendation because it converts really well on TikTok, okay? There are offers that don't do well, and this one does well, okay? So go check it out. So I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can find more ways to make money online. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I come out with videos every single day for the next 3 months, so check it out. Okay, bye.